Imagine a world where the internet isn't just a tool for communication or entertainment, but a gateway to financial freedom. A world where you can earn money from the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and on your own terms. Welcome to the world of online earning, where websites like Workercash can turn this dream into reality. Workercash is a platform that connects businesses with freelancers, offering a myriad of opportunities to earn money online. But how does it work? The process is simpler than you might think. The first step is to sign up on the Workercash website. Simply input your details and register. It's free, straightforward, and takes only a few minutes. Once you've registered, it's time to create your profile. This is your chance to shine, to showcase your skills, talents, and experiences. Remember, your profile is like your online CV. It's the first thing potential clients will see, so make it count. The next step is to browse the jobs available on the platform. With Workercash, you have the freedom to choose the jobs that match your skills and interests. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or a digital marketer, there's something for everyone. When you find a job that piques your interest, it's time to apply. Write a compelling proposal, explaining why you're the perfect fit for the job. Take your time with this step. A well-thought-out proposal can make all the difference in winning a job. Once you've landed a job, it's time to deliver high-quality work. Remember, the better you perform, the higher your chances of getting more jobs in the future. And with Workercash, the sky's the limit. You can take on as many jobs as you can handle. Now, let's talk about getting paid. With Workercash, you don't have to worry about payment issues. The platform ensures that you get paid for your work promptly. All you need to do is deliver your work, and the payment will be transferred to your account. In conclusion, earning money online through Workercash is an easy and flexible way to boost your income. It starts with signing up and creating a standout profile. Then, it's all about finding and applying for jobs that align with your skills and interests. Deliver high-quality work, and you'll be rewarded with prompt payment. In the world of online earning, Workercash is your ally. It's a platform that values your skills and time and rewards your hard work with financial freedom. So why wait? Start your online earning journey with Workercash today. It's time to turn the internet into your personal gold mine.